Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So, I am not wearing any makeup today, and I don't believe I'm saying this, but yeah, as you can see that I got super hydrated, beautiful skin and hair, so I really love them. And so if you wanna know how I got this, then please keep on watching. So today I am going to reviewing the Pilgrim India Korean range products, and also I will let you guys know what I think about them. So Pilgrim has launched new products in the Secret of Jeju Islands Korea range, and this is based on Korean formulations, but all of their products are made in India and all of them are cruelty free, and also these products are 100% vegan and they are free from any sulfate, paraben. So the first product that I have is this Pilgrim's White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner with Chamomile and Witch Hazel, and I must say I really like the packaging because it distributes the spray so good. The mist is really fine and it smells really nice. This has a very mild soothing fragrance which refreshes my skin, and also this is an alcohol free toner and this really hydrating, you guys. And apart from this, you can also use this as your face mist. It's nourished my skin so well, and also it's my absolute favorite product among all of them. And the next product I have is this Pilgrim's Tamano oil. So it's a really thick facial oil. Sometimes I use this as it is, and sometimes I use this on top of my skincare products. So it helps me with my acne scars. So if you have like dark spots or hyperpigmentation, it will help to fade them out. And also, as I have like really dry skin, it helps with that too because it's really thick. Whenever you are using this, it will look really oily and sticky, but give this some time, it will absorb into your skin and make your skin like flawless, glowy, nourished, hydrated, every good things actually. And the next product I have with me is this Pilgrims Argan Oil, and this is with jojoba and maracuja, and this is like a multi-purpose oil. You can use this as your facial oil or hair oil, and sometimes you can use this on your nails too. Like this is like a really rich oil, but I like to use this on my hairs because it gives my hair that shine, that nourishment. So I really love to use that on my hair, and normally I use few drops on my palm, then I massage into the scalp, and it really calms me down because it have a really soothing fragrance. And oh my god, I really love this. And sometimes I use this on my hair ends too because my ends are really dry and damaged, and it really helps with that. And I really love this argan oil because it's really lightweight. So, and I don't like thick oils on my hair because I have really long hair and it's such a hassle to wash your hair daily. So I really love this argan oil because it's really thin. So yeah, these 3 products make my life so easy, and I have been loving my skin as well as hair. So yeah, if you want to invest in these products, I will leave the links in the description box. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, and be gorgeous. Bye bye.